Hey guys, it's Joshua with PoolBots.com, and today we're comparing the Dolphin Premier and Dolphin Quantum. These are two of the best robotic pool cleaners on the market today because they can clean all of your pool, including the waterline. But there are a few key differences that give each their unique uses in ideal pool settings. We'll first look at the similarities between each robot and then what separates them. As always, if you would like a more in-depth look into each robot, check out our reviews on both. Both the Dolphin Quantum and the Dolphin Premier clean all of your pool efficiently and effectively with Waterline Cleaning, 2 brushes for double the scrubbing power, Smart Nav 2.0 for efficient pool mapping, and programmable power supply so you don't have to start the unit every day. So despite their external differences, both robots actually offer very similar complete cleans. So if both robots offer great pool cleanings, then what exactly separates them from one another? The Dolphin Premier is the more premium robot of the two. It has amazing waterline cleaning and, more importantly, 4 filter media options. The Dolphin Quantum has 2 filter media options, fine and ultra fine, which are great for most pools because they can pick up a fair amount of leaves and maintain clear water with the help of the ultra fine filter. Most units in the mid to budget price range, such as the Nautilus CC and the CC Plus, only include 1 filter media option. And 1 filter media can't really deep clean smaller debris like silt and sand. The Quantum's ultrafine filter option does a good job collecting the smallest debris, but if your pool is prone to larger debris, like leaves and twigs, then we would suggest looking to the Dolphin Premier with multimedia and its oversized and disposable debris bag, which hold way more large debris than any other residential robotic pool cleaner. The oversized and disposable debris bag, combined with the ultrafine cartridge and fine cartridge, make the Premier the only robotic pool cleaner with 4 filter media options. The next difference between the two is their waterline cleaning abilities. Both units are able to consistently and precisely reach your waterline, but the Premier has a dual stabilizer and is able to stay at the waterline longer for an even deeper clean. The Quantum uses PowerJet 3D mobility, which propels the unit sideways while adhering to the waterline. Each robot's scrubbing power is important because the waterline is the dirtiest part of your pool, and units that don't have waterline cleaning, such as the Nautilus CC Plus, leave a lot of manual scrubbing for you to do afterward. So if you have a notoriously dirty waterline, the Premier would be the better option because it can stay there to really scrub away the grime, especially if you drive it to the waterline using the optional remote, which brings us to connectivity. The Dolphin Premier has an optional remote upgrade that lets you control the robot as well as change cycle times, and it's great for spot cleaning or just for fun. This isn't a super important feature for the Quantum to be missing, but if you want the best in connectivity, then the Premier is the way to go. Lastly, Premier has a full filter light indicator when it is time to change your filters. So there you have it, the similarities and differences between the Dolphin Quantum and Premier. Both are excellent pool cleaners that can truly clean every inch of your pool, but each have their better uses. As always, you can read real reviews and learn more about the Dolphin Premier, Dolphin Quantum, and dozens of other robotic pool cleaners at PoolBots.com. Visit our website to find the best deals, tips, and tricks for pool ownership and special buys that'll help you enjoy your pool to its full potential.